Hi all. In this video, we are going to see what is gap theorem. We will understand two concepts. First is consistency and other is partition tolerance. Consistency ensures every user sees the same up-to-date data. It's a part of gap theorem. Consistency, availability, partition tolerance. You can only fully have two of them. A consistent system guarantees that once data is written, all read returns the same result. For example, if you transfer money in a banking app, you want the balance to reflect instantly. Strong consistency avoids conflicting views of data across nodes. However, it may delay responses in distributed systems, especially under failure. Some systems prefer eventual consistency to stay available during network issues. Trade-off depends on business use case, consistency versus speed. Systems like traditional RDBMS offer strong consistency by design. The next concept which we have to understand gap theorem is partition tolerance. Partition tolerance means your system continues working despite network failures. It's about resilience when communication between nodes break down. A network partition splits a system so that they can't talk to each other. Partition tolerant systems handle this gracefully, keeping parts operational. It's one leg of the gap theorem triangle, often prioritized in distributed systems. Think of a chat app where messages queue offline and sync later. Partition tolerance accepts delays but avoids total failure. Modern systems like Kafka, Cassandra, and DynamoDB are built with this in mind. It's essential for cloud based, geographically distributed systems. So basically, partition tolerance is equal to survive network chaos.